Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are making masks with mommy. So let's go guys. We need tissue paper and rubber band and this.
Yeah, it's stapler.
Yes, so
But you need help
yeah.
from mommy, okay? Because it's quite dangerous for kids. Okay, now
Let's
let's get
start
started.
now. We need
Now, take 2 tissue paper and fold it like this.
okay, I can do this.
Okay, do it. Yeah, good job. No, now like this.
Okay.
Wow, and this. Great work. Now take a rubber band.
Okay.
Here. Okay. Now I need to stand here. Yeah.
And
Okay.
that's
Now put another rubber band here and do the same thing.
okay.
Be careful.
Careful.
Do it. Chris. Good job, Affan. Now it's done. So
And-
now let's see how you will use this. Wow, it's done. Now let's spread it.
And let's
Okay, guys, it will be looking like this. Okay, it's for emergency, not for all time. When you have no mask, you can use this. Right, Affan?
yes.
Yeah. Okay, guys, now Affan is showing you how to put off the mask.
Yes. So
Like this.
Yeah. Don't touch it.
Like how?
How? Don't touch it.
We should not touch the mask.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a nice day.